Hi guys, I am Kashif and I am your tech mentor. Today I will show you how to create an professional Twitter account by using your email address. So first of all you need to open web browser and go to Twitter official site. Just type twitter.com and press enter. Alright, we have successfully reached on Twitter website. You just click on continue as Kashif. That means sign in to with your Google account. Be sure your Google account has been signed in on your web browser. I am opening the Google official site and I am using this email address. I have already signed in. You can see this. Now I am creating my Twitter account by using my Google account. You just need to continue with your name. Now we need to choose our date of birth. April 3 and 1999. You just input your date of birth. This is my date of birth. Then click on next. Now click on next. Now you can use this username as your wish. So I am using Kashif Malik and 786. I am checking. This username has been already taken, so I am changing my username. You can click on show more and select any one of your Twitter account. I want to use custom username. Now I am entering different digits. Alright, Twitter has accepted my custom digits. Now we need to click on next. I am clicking on skip for now. Now you need to select 3 categories. I am using technology, entertainment and gaming. Great work. Now click on next. Now click on next. Now you need to follow one of them. Now we need to follow some person or some account. I am following the windows and clicking on next. Alright, we have successfully created the professional Twitter account. You just go your profile and change anything from your profile. I hope you will enjoy the video and like the video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page. Thank you.